kapak na isire rengere shisha kaka isaka nyalu wongon luebe itai boy kina ingito sabitilo kosomero lo King's Kids Primary ekimata lo ekanisa kalo Heaven's Gate koibuga soroti Dong Cook Kim ngesi abalebe ekoto iduem kauria kai singare na ijara na elaunit
even all of you
how
can you born again? Jesus said, no one can enter the kingdom of God without being born again, being born of water and the Spirit. All of you and me, we are physically, biologically born all from our mother. All of you have your parents. It means physically born first. Then Jesus Christ had spiritually born. You are born in mathematics, in English, in science. But you always focus on the success of PAD. It's something like unwilling burden. You are always struggling by human effort. Jesus suggested, Jesus mentioned, born of the Spirit. It means you come into the family of God.
Apollo ne somero lo King's Kids Primary Joseph Collins Obwalenga ngesi abalebe daunitose sishana kina akapa kine shishia kajokan
tometoto jeke dikane saka nike luon duda waite monokini joka de chamo da bonebe ina kindo kwa naso kisilone de class loka suba tere de pelo angata kine kere mpabi kurokutoso konyoto mayun lazo ite monokini kesi ido de kapakina asoma kichenito ada raidiana sama ta kichenito mameno itakadimete
Apollo kinito na tukoto na eru chokita uriaka keda shishana kinak PTA ko King's Kids Primary ekimata gere pasio rono ngesi unitebe etubete shisha ka kech
ijaisa lipike da kesi ijaisa sinyiko kite kesi be tubete nara dautu imalimun aswama ne po ikar kanyara geon esishana kisi malmun esomata ne po jenso be tubeti duelu e polo sa muno noi ne jasi due soma lelo sta soma ngito
Kanuka TV East Abraham Elapu Koibuga Soroti.